In this lesson, we review how to draw stairs in perspective. And we're going to follow along with the same procedure as we started with in the previous exercises. We're going to start with a cube. So go ahead and draw a horizontal horizon line. Select 2 points on that horizon point to represent the left and right vanishing points. And then we're going to draw a cube below the horizon line. So slightly different than how the instructions are in the lecture, but following the same exact principles. So what I'm going to have you do is first draw, as we've done before, is to draw a line to be the front of your cube. But today I'm asking you to use some type of measuring tool, and I'm asking you to do 1, 2, 3, 4 equal spacings. So I used just my architectural ruler and I did 1/2 inch equal spacing. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't have a measuring tool, then you can take the time to dissect the cube to get those 4 equal parts. But just to be quicker, 1, 2, 3, 4 equal spacing. So you're going to take that line, and as you've done in previous exercises, you're going to go to the left vanishing point, and you're going to go to the right vanishing point, and you're going to visualize cube. So you're going to draw that line and you're going to visualize cube. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create the first step of the stairs. So we're going to go up, up 1, and then over. So you can start feeling on the side what steps look like. So you go up, which is the rise, over, which is the run. Up, the rise, over, run, up, rise, over, run. So I like to just look on the side just to kind of visualize where you're going. So now we're going to draw these stairs in perspective. So you went up for your first rise, and then we need to take that over to the right vanishing point to close it up. And so what I'm hoping these videos, as I'm really talking about these things, I'm hoping that you're not just following step-by-step instruction, but hopefully by the end of the semester, you're starting to visualize space a little more. Again, I understand that that might not be the case until the end of the semester, but hopefully you will, in time, you'll start to visualize it rather than just copy instructions. So I'm hoping that for you, knowing that I never did that with math. I always just memorized math. I never understood math, but hopefully we'll get you there. So we've gone up, right? We've gone up. And now we need to go over, up, over, up, over, up. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you go through the first 2 points of the rise, and I'm going to have you go through the cube. And these are going to merge way up here at the top of this vanishing point. So eventually these do merge about right way up there. But since we're working within a cube, go ahead and take that point to that point and that point to that point. So what that helps us do is to get what's called a slope in perspective. So think about it. We're going up and we need to go over. We need to go up. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you go trying to give my right instructions here. there's these points now that are going to come straight down on both sides. And then from the first step, you're going to go to the left vanishing point and you're going to go over, up, run. Where that vertical line hits, that's where you know to stop. So we go up again, and now we have to run to where that vertical line hits. So I hope that you can visualize what that's looking like now. So we need to figure out, what the other side is going to look like. And as you've experienced dissecting the cube, all sides are equal. So go ahead and pull some vertical lines down. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Where it hits the vertical lines, that's the run, rise. Run, rise. Run, where it hits the vertical, rise. So now, if all is good and true, we should be able to go just everything to this right vanishing point and complete your stairs. So let's see how we do. In theory, I haven't practiced it yet, but that goes to the vanishing point. Everything should go to the vanishing point and align just right. And so far, so good. That looks not even, but like maybe a little. And there you have your stairs.